Yung iba sa taas na, pwede? Sa taas na yung iba? Yung matatangkad, sa taas na kayo. Okay? Dapat gitna para maganda naman. Other awardees, ayun pa yung mga boksingero. Come on. Yung mga hindi nakaparada kanina. Yumir. Come on, Yumir. Everybody. Big see Yumir.
Well, Lisa,
Yes.
that brings us to the conclusion
Wow.
of another spectacular evening, the third Pacquiao Elordi Awards. We'd like to thank everyone for coming here and supporting this great event, being a part of this great event. You really, truly are part of a big family, the boxing family, and the sporting family here in the Philippines. We'd like to thank everyone for coming. This is a rare photo, so as we say goodnight, make sure you get this photo right here.
Yeah, Ted, can you join instead? Another edition of our awards night, and we'd like to say thank you. Thank you so much, everyone, for coming. It's such a very beautiful night and memorable. Thank you, Manny. Thank you, as always, for you're the only fighter who signs a lot of autographs and photos. Thank you so much for your time. And to our boxers, awardees, congratulations! Mabuhay po tayo lahat. Let's make a fist. Kaya, di ba? Ay, may trophy kayo. Okay, those who can make, what's this, boxing pose? Wow, thank you very, very much. Zen, thank you, congratulations for another exciting edition. Okay, thank you. If you want to take your photos here, it's still up there, so boxers, pwede po kayo magpa-picture. Okay? Diyan po kayo pa-picture kayo lahat. Sige po. Can you show the... June, I understand meron kang ginawang video, so pwede bang i-play? Can we play that? Can we play that direct and then the SDE? Boxers, pwede kayo magpa-picture and everything.